Hello, I'm a TED Ed Club member. I'm going to talk to you about some spectacular fish for aquariums. Firstly, the baby shark is a very good and interesting fish for aquariums. But unfortunately, when it grows up, you have to leave it in the ocean because it can get very big. The shape of the aquarium is very important because if the corners are rectangular, the shark will get damaged, so it has to have a curved shape. It's a saltwater species and it's very difficult to have it or carry it. So if you don't have enough experience, I wouldn't recommend it to you. The lionfish is very exotic fish, and a lot of aquariums could be fantastic only because of having it. It's a little bit expensive, but you won't repent of buying it. It's a fish for saltwater aquariums, and it's also complicated to carry it. It has a huge variety of colors and sizes. The pufferfish. It's a venomous fish, and when it gets intimidated, it gets water into his mouth and become bigger. So when you want to touch it, you have to be careful with the spikes because you could be very severe damage. But mostly of the time it's Pacific. There's a huge variety of forms and colors of this species and also a saltwater fish. But you can have it in a freshwater aquarium, but you have to put a little bit of salt, so having it with paws it's not a very good idea. The mandarin fish is a very nice fish and it's like the darkness. His diet is basically formed by corals and the relief. It's very important for the food of this animal, and so if you don't give it a nice diet, it could have several problems. It's also a saltwater fish. As you can see, it's very pretty and with a huge variety of colors. The cichlid is a very colorful fish and very interesting, but not by the colors, also because of its shape and aesthetic. It's a freshwater fish. Some of them can be very aggressive, but not all. So you can have two options with the fish. Creating an aquarium only for this species, or you can have it with other fish, but only you can have cichlids that aren't aggressive. That depends on the shop you buy it,